Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alkindi M Ridwan, and now I would like to explain to you about my case study for the English for Export-Import midterm examination. India's air cargo conundrum, the hungry elephant in the room. And it happens at a recent conclave of air cargo CEOs in Chennai, July 12, 2023, at the ITC Grand Kola, India. And for the problem, the pharma exporter observed that Indian freight forwarders serve as booking agents without offering rate guarantees like counterpart elsewhere. And cause of the problem. First, since fluctuating air freights put Indian exporters at a disadvantage vis-a-vis the competition. The freight forwarders' defense was that they have no option since the rates are quoted by foreign airlines, who decide on the available capacity. A foreign airline confirmed that they are forced to juggle capacity between one country and another in pursuit of the highest yield, leading to the rate volatility. The second one, the geopolitical crisis that has hit maritime carriage through the Red Sea has pushed up India's demand for air cargo capacity, where almost 90% is controlled by foreign airlines. The third one is unrealistic goal. At yet another meet in Bengaluru, expert pitched for converting India's major gateway into transshipment cargo hubs. A country can host transshipment hubs only if it has at least one anchor airline that operates across the globe. Foreign airlines such as Emirates, Qatar, Turkish, and Cathay Pacific that operate in India do not have a sizable home market, but boast a large fleet and capacity that far exceeds their country needs. They effectively use the sixth freedom traffic right, commercial aviation right of an airline to carry load from one foreign country to another with a stopover in its home country and gain the most. India, on the other hand, doesn't have even a single airline that's comparable to these foreign carriers in size. And fourth, foreign airlines benefit from the fact that India has failed to build its air cargo capacity. Because in the early 90s, India adopted an open sky policy for cargo to support export and develop its own capacity. Though foreign airlines tapped the opportunity, the country failed to build its capacity simultaneously. And to counter the exploitation of market conditions during the COVID-19 pandemic, a government circular restricted the open sky policy to 6 gateway airports. However, this has since been relaxed to deal with ensuing capacity crunch. And for the solution, India augment its freighter cargo capacity to reach at least 90 until 60% of the required capacity. And two India operators are reported to have placed big orders for aircraft. The belly capacity of passenger airlines is no match for the freighter capacity of the foreign airlines. And globally, there is a growing demand for freighter aircraft and P2F, passenger to freight operations. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. If you guys have any question or comment, please write down in comment section below. Thank you.